So, my name is Amy and I am a scientist. I'm currently doing a PhD at Cambridge University in the Department of Engineering, and I'm convinced that I have the coolest job. So, when I was at school, I had no idea what a PhD was. So, I'll give you an introduction into what it is, how I ended up doing one, and my route to becoming a scientist. So, a PhD is essentially a 3-year funded project. Yes, it's paid. To carry out research of your own choice that hasn't been done before by anyone else in the world. So it sounds pretty cool. So what am I doing for my PhD? My research is a combination between biology and engineering. So I'm trying to treat people with nerve injuries. Essentially, I'm working on connecting a patient's damaged limb, for example, a stump of an amputated arm, to a smart prosthetic arm. So amputee patients often suffer from loss of feeling and movement at the site of injury. So this means if a patient has a normal prosthetic arm, they can't feel whether a cup of tea is warm, and they can't move the cup of tea and grasp it towards their mouth to drink it. So my work combines stem cells and electronics to try and restore movement and sensation in amputee patients. So how did I get to where I am today? At school, I did 10 GCSEs and 3 A-levels, and these were in maths, biology and chemistry, but you don't have to do these A-levels depending on what field you'd like to go into. So I then went on to Cardiff University to study biomedical sciences, and here I learned lots about different diseases and therapies that affect people around the world. And here I sparked an interest in tissue engineering, and this is also where I met Miss Williams. This led me to studying a master's in nanotechnology and regenerative medicine at UCL. And here in a lab, I worked in a hospital, and I had an opportunity to collect tissue samples from ill patients and then learn about the causes of their diseases. And it was at this stage that I realised I wanted to pursue a career in science. So it was my natural progression to apply for a PhD programme where I'm focusing on nervous system injuries. So this is how I got into my PhD, to treat people with nerve injuries. So if anyone has any questions or wants more information about this route, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I wish you all the best with your final years left at school. Thank you for listening.